to the heart of Mars exploration. Today, we dissect the SpaceX Raptor.
Built to withstand hellish pressures, its stainless steel alloy frame is the first line of defense against the vacuum of space.
At its core, twin turbopumps deliver tons of cryogenic propellant per second, generating enough power to lift civilizations. Utilizing a full-flow staged combustion cycle, Raptor eliminates waste, turning every drop of fuel into pure, raw thrust. The combustion chamber operates at over 300 bars of pressure, protected by a regenerative cooling system that prevents the engine from melting itself. The nozzle is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics, shaped to optimize thrust from the launch pad to the stars.
This is more than an engine. It is the machine that will make life multi-planetary. Subscribe to Tech Dissect Official. Join us as we decode the DNA of tomorrow. What should we dissect next?